How's it going, guys? My name is Ryan here with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today before me I have a YFZ 450 racing exhaust. Our plans for this exhaust is to blast and hopefully bring back some of that OEM color, but what we want to do is save a bit of the color where this thing was actually recently welded. That's what this tape is for. Let's see what happens when we put it in the machine. We finished blasting this part, guys, and it looks incredible. We were actually able to retain the heat and discoloration from welding, which I personally think looks great. This part was blasted in glass bead, and we actually had to switch over to a glass bead and aluminum oxide mixture for this pipe because there were a few pieces that we actually couldn't take off with just straight glass bead. If you guys like what you see here, do not hesitate to call our sales team. We would love to set you up with a product that can yield such great results. If you like this video and would like to see more, please consider subscribing. Also follow us on our other socials such as Instagram and Facebook. Contact us if you have any questions, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.